Hello everyone, this is Tec Wireless, and today we're going to show you how to change the Galaxy S3 LCD connector. And this is our technician, Marmala.
Okay, this is the damage, if you can see right here.
So that's the damaged connector.
Okay, so we're going to replace that piece.
So he used the tape that protect the motherboard from the heat all around the sensitive areas, and now he's using the heat gun.
$400.
So as you see right here, 407 degrees. So he kept the heating gun on top of the connector until it came off. And that's the connector that we're going to change today. So this is the customer's motherboard that we're going to change the connector on.
We're going to use the flax. This is the right flax you need. And this is the new connector right here.
This is the new connector. So the same way we took out the old connector, we're gonna put back in the new connector. For 107 degrees again.
Now you have to wait for that. You have to adjust this first.
This is like a really sensitive work. As you guys see, he's trying to put the connector in the right way.
$400 again.
So heat on top of the new connector. For how long you supposed to do that for?
Till it's melt. You can see the meltings like get shiny. We have to wait like a minute till we
Gotta wait a minute till it gets cold.
have to wait. Okay, so we can test it now.
For you that didn't know what we did, that was the connector that goes from the motherboard to the LCD. And he's trying to test it right now. Okay, there you go. It came on. Thanks everyone for watching. Come try to visit us at Tec Wireless, 410 South Clark. Bye now.